Hey, I wanted to kind of steal from this fool.com. That's the website, sorry. 8 real estate market predictions for 2020. They have a bunch here, some of them good, some of them bad. Some I agree with, most I don't. But I'm going to give you my 8 reasons for the predictions. And my predictions is that real estate will continue to grow for the next 3 to 5 years in both value and in rents. The reason for that, number one, is the inventory. Inventory is very low. I'm going to show you in a little bit, but we're almost 3 to 1 on listings versus what is being sold and put under contract in the last every week. So we're running out of real estate. It's a lot harder to get than it used to be. I see stuff go up on the market and it goes quickly. I had showings for a client the other day, and I had 5 houses. I actually had the showing times and everything set up for the next day, and 2 of them went under contract, so they canceled the showings. That's how it is here in the Cleveland metro area. Interest rates are also going to remain low. I mean, they're around 3%. I mean, that's crazy. So the Fed said they're going to freeze that till the end of December, and when they start raising it a bit, you'll see a bigger rush to get houses after that because people are wanting to get this good interest rate. It's phenomenal. So low interest rates are also going to drive the economy. And the COVID's not going to last forever. People, I mean, during this particular situation, so the COVID's causing the problems. It isn't the economy, and that's something we have to recognize. The economy was going great. I mean, it was growing like crazy. The government shut it down. It wasn't the people. So the COVID won't be here forever. So when that's released, there'll be a lot of pent-up stuff. Buyer spending. Number 4 would be the buyer spending, pent-up demand. I mean, they're going to want to go out to the stores. They're going to want to be normal again. They're going to go to the events. They're going to want to go to shows. I mean, I can't wait to go to the movies, get me a popcorn and watch a good movie. I mean, I miss that immensely, and I can't wait for that to come back. As soon as it does, I'm going to be out there doing that. So there's going to be a lot of pent-up demand, people wanting to buy, and that's going to go for the housing. Mortgage relief, people are saying that, well, when this unemployment stuff stops, that there'll be a lot of mortgage defaulting. Well, I talked to a expert in that area, and Mario Graffio with Ruoff Mortgage, and he was talking. I talked to some other mortgage people too, and they mentioned that they're going to tack that payment onto the end of the mortgages. So if you miss 3 months payments, they're going to tack them onto the back of the mortgage. They're not going to make them catch up, so they're going to go right back to normal because, again, this was a government-caused close down. It wasn't the economy. So there will be mortgage relief, and I think that'll really benefit the economy, and that you will not see that many foreclosures. Rising rents and housing prices are going to continue because of the demand. I did an open house in Mayfield Village last couple weeks ago, and for a rental, and I literally had 40 people through. It was crazy, and it's rented. It rented for top dollar. There's no vacancies. I mean, I get calls. I put 3 rentals up the other day, and I literally get hundreds of calls a week wanting properties. I mean, people are begging for them. There's just not a lot of them out there, so it's very hard to get a property now. There's no vacancies. I know in a lot of the cities, there's literally nothing for rent. And then my listings, personal listings, and I do the flat fee listings, are selling like crazy. I just had one today over in Cleveland Heights. A gentleman listed with me, and it was 19 days on the market. Now, usually that would be a very difficult house to sell, but 19 days got full price. I had a duplex, I got full price. I had 1520 Noble, full price. I mean, everything's full price. There's really not a lot of negotiating going around. So those are my 8 reasons, and that's why I predict that the real estate market is going to continue to boom for the next 3 to 5 years. You're not going to see any kind of problem there. So commercial, that's different. I'm talking retail, residential, real estate is going to boom just because there's nothing being put on the market. There's nothing there's not a lot being put on the market. Let's look at the 7-day thing. This is from the MLS. It's audited and checked and all that good stuff. But we had 3,552 properties go sold or under contract in the last 7 days. Only 1,288 went on the market live. So that's it. That's all we had. So that's almost a 3-to-1 again, going off the market to what's coming on the market. That creates demand. So if you're wanting real estate, you need to call a realtor that knows what he's doing and understands the needs. And we have a great system to get you the best real estate on the planet. It's a total different system than all the other realtors, and I'll show you how I do that. Give me a call. I'm Brett with EXP Realty, 216-703-5740, 216-703-5740. And check out my blog, clevelandincomerealestate.com. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.